Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an error occurred and Roblox cannot continue. To fix this issue, the first step is simply restart your computer. This simple fix can often solve minor problems. So if this doesn't work, try this step 2. We need to clear our Roblox cache. So right click Windows Start button and then select Run. Type in %local app data % and then press enter. So in here we need to find Roblox. So right click and delete it. So after deleting, open up your browsers and log into roblox.com. So you need to try to open up a game, and then once you try to play this game, this will show download and install. So you need to click download and install and wait for it to load up. And then once you're done, just go ahead and click the folder up there and then run to install the Roblox. So once you're done installing Roblox, you should open up Roblox and play it again, and it should fix this error. So if this method is still not working for you, try the step number 3. Rather than installing Roblox from your browser, you should install Roblox from the Microsoft Store. So just go ahead and click the Microsoft Store at the bottom. Search for Roblox and install it from there. And that's it guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.